Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn your photo into a stylistic painting using DreamFace. These trending AI apps that creates amazing digital art styles from just one photo. And the best part, you can do it for free. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your DreamFace app. If you don't have it yet, just download it from the Play Store. It's free to install, and then after install it, just log in using your Google account. And don't worry, DreamFace will offer free plans which give you weekly credits and a few daily image or video generations, so you can try all the features without spending anything. Next, once you're in the app and the homepage like this, just tap on AI filters, and then after that scroll down until you find stylistic paintings. This one, stylistic paintings sections, and then just tap on it. This category has several painting styles that you can try, from Ghibli, pixel art, sketch, flat art, cyber impressions, and many more. Just pick the one that you like the most. For example, in this tutorial, maybe I want to try I want to try maybe I want to try flat art. Just tap the one that you like, and then after that just upload your photo like this, and just choose the picture, ideally one with a clear face and good lighting for the best result. After that, just hit on animate. And okay, like this, in just a few moments, you will see your photo transform into a stunning stylistic painting versions like this. Next, if you love it, you can save it and then just share it directly to your social media. And okay, that's it. Super easy, right? You have just learned how to create a stylistic painting photo using DreamFace, and it's all from your phone. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.